Are you dreaming of designing your perfect space or looking to bring your client's vision to life? Whether you're a professional interior designer or a creative enthusiast, having the right tools is key. Today, we're diving into 5 of the best interior design software that make creating stunning spaces easier than ever. Starting off with the giant of design tools, AutoCAD. Known for its precision and versatility, AutoCAD is a go-to software for professionals. It's perfect for creating detailed 2D floor plans and complex 3D models. While it comes with a learning curve, the results are nothing short of incredible. Key features: précise 2D et 3D modeling. Integration with other design software. Ideal for architects and interior designers. Next up, SketchUp. Loved for its user-friendly interface, SketchUp is a fantastic tool for beginners and pros alike. Its intuitive drag-and-draw features allow you to design 3D models quickly. And with the 3D warehouse, you get access to thousands of pre-made objects to enhance your designs. Key features: intuitive and beginner-friendly. Access to 3D warehouse. Great for conceptual designs. At number 3, Planner 5D. If you want something easy and fun, Planner 5D is a great choice. This software is perfect for both professionals and homeowners looking to design interiors with ease. You can create detailed 2D floor plans or explore your designs in stunning 3D views. Key features: drag-and-drop simplicity. High-quality renders. Great for collaborative projects. Now let's talk about HomeStyler. It's a free online tool that lets you visualize your dream space in 3D. With HomeStyler, you can experiment with furniture placement, wall colors, and lighting, and see your ideas come to life instantly. It's the perfect playground for your creativity. Key features: easy drag-and-drop interface, free to use, virtual furniture placement. And finally, we have HomeBuyMe. This software combines simplicity with stunning visuals. You can design layouts, decorate spaces, and even create virtual tours to share with clients or friends. The real-life feel of the renders makes it a favorite for both amateurs and professionals. So, there you have it, 5 amazing interior design software to help you unleash your creativity. Whether you're crafting a professional masterpiece or redesigning your living room, these tools will make the process smooth, fun, and rewarding. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on all things design. Which software will you try first? Let us know in the comments.